the 2018 Grand Design Solitude. This is the, I think it's a 377. I don't know the numbers, but this one, you walk in right here, and this is a bunk room slash office. If you're a digital nomad and you need to work from the road, you can have a desk here. You got a couch if you just wanted to hang out. If you had children and you wanted this is a bunk room, playroom, whatever. And directly above it is a loft. Pretty good size. Looks like it could be a queen. Lots of space, carpeted. So you could have a single bed and lots of play space. This is, I don't know how long it is. I'm going to venture to say 42 feet. Up here is the master. It's got the slide for the bed. Is that a king? Or is that a queen?
Looks like a king.
King size bed, and I bet you if you open that, the washer dryer hookups are up here. No, yeah, washer dryer hookups in there. But otherwise it's good storage. Great big closet. Look at the cool shelving in there. We have several friends with Grand Designs, and they all love their RVs. Right back here is the general living area. That's an RV fridge, but that is a good size RV fridge. Got the island, TV, fireplace, lots of storage. Again, with this glass cover, I'm not digging that.
But I like them.
Yeah. Regular table with regular chairs.
They do have straps underneath, so when you're traveling, they will stay steady.
So you think about family of 7, this would be still pretty tight. But if we had a couple less kids, this would work great for us, and it would definitely seem more homey.
Plenty of seating, lots of counter space, pantry area.